Knowledge is power. Power which fights good over evil. Power which brings justice. Power which allows progress and leads to revolution. Power which makes the world that we live in a better place. And this power is brought to you by Bapu GKV. Bapu GKV is like that bright and unwavering northern star which provides the guidance and encouragement that your child needs to get to the summit. Bapu Gujarat Knowledge Village is a group of educational institutes under the patronage of Shankar Singh Waghela Bapu Charitable Trust, who aim to promote education and propagate knowledge. Chairman of Bapu GKV, Shri Shankar Singh Waghela, former CM of Gujarat and a notable social worker, developed his vision into reality in 2009 and has since been the guiding light to the institute. Amongst our other esteemed members of the trust, we have Shri Mahendra Singh Waghela and Shri Bharat Singh Waghela. We have eminent personalities as BOG members, Shri YK Alg, Shri JS Rajput, Shri PK Mehta, Shri Nayan Parekh and Professor G. Raghuram. Bapu Gujarat Knowledge Village, spread out in 40-acre land in Vasan Gandhinagar, offers a sprawling campus. The massive red stone buildings merge beautifully with the lush green landscaped gardens. Bapu GKV offers a wide variety of undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma degrees in a multitude of subjects including engineering, pharmacy, science, commerce, nursing and law, along with world-class facilities for students such as multimedia classrooms, hostel, canteen, auditorium, transportation facilities, girls' room.
Shankar Singh Waghela Bapu Institute of Technology Diploma was established in year 2013 with approval of AICTE and affiliated with GTU. We are offering the 3 courses in mechanical, civil and the electrical branches with the total intake of 180. The institute has grown over the years in the pursuit of vision to meet the need of the society through the technology, and we have crossed the several milestones of the excellence. This has become possible due to the continued effort of the management, effort of the faculties and the contribution of the dedicated student.
While providing highly valued degrees in all major disciplines of engineering such as mechanical, electrical, civil, computer, IT and electronic and communication engineering.
Our vision for the upcoming years is to enhance the research activities and strengthen the placement training activities by creating the vibrant learning environment and maximizing the training and placement activities so that we become the preferred choice for engineering education seekers across the nation.
Bapu GKV also constitutes of an Institute of Pharmacy which offers degree in pharmaceutics and quality assurance.
Those who want to be a part of a pharmacy should definitely approach the Bapu Gujarat Knowledge Village for their future endeavors.
SVVIP has an education institute in pharmacy, and also we are doing other activities like poster presentation, paper presentation and industrial visits at various pharmaceutical companies, and our students are going for international experience program at Laurentian University, Canada. So in all over the 4 years the student is having experience in field of pharmaceutical sciences.
I would like to suggest you to join Bapu College because we have the best explicit class and fully equipped labs.
And an Institute of Sciences offers BSc in Physics, Chemistry, Microbiology and Mathematics to add to its diverse array of courses. The institute has recently inaugurated the Nursing Institute, which gives a degree in Auxiliary Nurse Midwifery.
To enhance the student satisfaction by providing the qualitative nursing education so student can practice effectively at global level.
Bapu GKV developed the Mob Innovation Center of Excellence, which has been funded by Center for Entrepreneurship Development, a government body. It is a 5-year startup program in collaboration with Apple, which aims to train students from all over Gujarat in iOS mobile application development. A huge library with over 35,000 books and journals to pick your read from, and a separate space allotted for students to use internet services at the library are some of the facilities available for students studying at Bapu GKV.
This institute has an amazing library where I love to spend my time for studying and writing, and it is very convenient for me to get good content from the library.
Lavish indoor and outdoor sports arenas have been built specially to encourage students who have always been enthusiastic about sports, be it chess, badminton, table tennis, basketball or volleyball. Bapu GKV also conducts its yearly cultural festival, Carnival de Village, with huge show and pomp, inviting several celebrities of various backgrounds from sports, films and achievers of other fields. Students of Bapu GKV have brought medals of honor to the institute by participating in sports in All India University.
Studying here is never boring. As you can look around, the compound is covered with green pasture, so you realize that there are so many activities to do, in which we play football, we play volleyball, we play basketball, so no one is ever bored at the institute.
Various student clubs like Robotics Club, Cultural Club, Sports Club, Urban Planning Club, Soft Skill Development Club and Wireless and Mobile Technologies Club. They provide legal aid to all students and moot court activities to law students.
We at this campus are providing a legal education to the students who want to practice in a legal field and who can become an author of their own destiny in the field of legal practicing. We provide an emancipatory liberal values of the laws in the field of cultural, social and economical ways.
An administrative block has been developed to facilitate easy functioning of the administration department, and a bank has been set up in the vicinity. But that is not all. In the 10 glorious years, Bapu GKV has not only created outstanding infrastructural facilities and amenities for their students, but has also shaped the personalities and futures of their students by providing them with education which stands class apart.
इस कॉलेज की फैकल्टी और इसका एजुकेशन बहुत ही अच्छा है, इसलिए हमें इस कॉलेज में आने का मन होता है। इस कॉलेज में मतलब एक फैकल्टी, कोई भी फैकल्टी हो वो एक फैमिली की तरह रहती है, इसलिए हमें यहाँ पर कभी ऑकवर्ड फील नहीं होता।
If you're thinking of making your future in pharmacy, come be part of the Bapu GKV family. Here, with the spacious campus, all the extracurricular activities and the right assistance and guidance of all the professional faculties, you can make your dreams come true.
Needless to say, imparting their students with such knowledge would not have been possible without the efforts and impeccable teachings of the faculty. One such success story is of the Solar Tree Project, an initiative by Bapu GKV, which was guided by Professor Gajendra Singh Dabhi. Another such story is of the innovation of electronic convenience vehicle having a customized built-in cargo space to enable small-scale transportation of goods, and Professor Utsav Gadia of Bapu GKV played the pivotal role in the innovation of a highly growth-oriented project. With a wide array of degrees to offer and such an attractive campus, Bapu GKV has attracted students globally from 12 different countries.
My name is Rutendo Georgina Mapapiro. I am from Zimbabwe, and I am proud to be a student of Bapu GKV.
As international students are coming to study with us, it has become easier to connect with different global cultures, and it helps us to increase our awareness, and I'm proud to be a part of Bapu GKV.
Students of the institute have also been repeatedly marking their place in Gujarat Technological University by bagging top ranks.
Bapu GKV has allowed me to grow not just academically but also turned me into a better individual by providing me ample opportunities to enhance and polish my personality.
With excellence in academics, Bapu GKV aims at creating bright careers and lighting up futures by letting students grow beyond their classrooms. They strike a balance between theoretical and practical learning and develop individuals who are competent and capable of taking over the world step by step.
Bapu Gujarat Knowledge Village provides students with a platform which gives them a learning edge and nurtures them into individuals who can survive the hardships in their life. I believe promotion of knowledge and education is the best way to bring socio-economical development and growth in the country. At the end of their educational career here, our students will be professionals who can contribute to the growth of economy of the society. I invite the students to join various UG, PG and diploma courses at Bapu GKV and contribute for the bright future of the nation.
Bapu Gujarat Knowledge Village believes that hard work in the right direction is the key to success, and Bapu GKV provides the direction you need. Bapu GKV, Shram Vina Na Kimpi Sadhyam.